Hi James. I just want to explain to you the application that I have been developed. It's not developed totally right now, but I work to develop it. It's work to draw indoor map and drawing points or the location of the user inside this map. Basically, this application, I use SVG to draw the map, and I have used JavaScript with some HTML tags. This database, I already stored the XY, which is coordinate for the user location inside the MySQL database. So this application read the location of the user, which is X and Y in meter, and put them on, retrieve them from the database to this app. And then here I have programmed the maps and the coordinator and everything. Let me show you the user interface to make the ID clear. For example, here this map I have been created by using SVG tags. This coordinator obviously by me in meters. This is, for example, assume this is 12 meter. I don't remember exactly the dimension, but it is in meter. Also, the point, which is that one, the green one, it is a coordinator of user location in indoor map. I mean, in the real environment where I was living in the flat. So my phone coordinator, for example, 6x and 7y meter. So now this app, I want fit this location inside this map. Maybe here, I don't know exactly, but the problem I face with the scales is a Node-RED scale in pixel as a browser, any browser in pixel, and the coordinators or the location is come with the meter dimension. I try to consider each 10 pixel equal 1 meter, but I failed because it's sometimes draw 1 pixel over other one, so I can't see it. So I consider each 30 pixel equal 1 meter, but the problem is still for me the point not come inside the building, it's go outside as shown here. So if you knew another way to help me to draw the indoor localization map and represent the target on it, or any other open source library or API or any suggestion, I will be really happy, James. Because for me, this is now like a backend app, which is receive the data and want to represent it. And it's very important for me, this app, because it represents the output for the tracking stage. And obviously, if I didn't done it accurately and I measure everything accurately, I don't want miss it because small scale. And it is small, yes, but it challenged me now. Also, I would say if you encourage me to go ahead with this and manage the scale, please let me know. Or if I chose wrong way to represent my backend application by developing in Node-RED, also please give me feedback, because I have seen a lot of applications. Most of them they use map word node to draw it, but this map word, it is already represent outside a map for out indoor, but for in my situation I need indoor. This reason the map node in Node-RED not support me, so I decided to draw and to create an indoor map based on my needs. So this is what I can show you, but I still have a little of problem with the scale. If you have any idea or any suggestion, I would be really appreciate. And thank you for your listen, James.